Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to be playing with this palette by Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. I love this so much. I mean, just look at it, it's gorgeous. It's the shape of a house. Love this so much that I had to grab it. So this is my first makeup video of the new year and I'm super excited to try this out. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Alright, so let's start with primer. I'm going to be using the Jekka Black Hydrate Primer. I'm halfway the tube and I rarely use this. So I don't think this was filled up to the top. I think it was filled up to maybe here. Because right now I see the reflection and I have product down here. And I know I could count with one hand how many times I've used this. So it doesn't even have an ounce, so it's just 20 ml. That's why probably. I really want to get the e.l.f. primer, the new one they have. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Milk makeup primer because it's very sticky. And that reminds me of the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. So I'm thinking that maybe I'm going to try to purchase that one. The problem with e.l.f. is that every time I purchase from them, it literally takes like almost a month and a half to get here. It always happens with them. Let's start with my eyes first. I don't know why I primed if I'm going to start with my eyes. Big blooper. So I'm going to put concealer on my eyelids. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in shade Ivory. I'm going to set that a little bit, just slightly, not a lot, with the Beauty Bakery setting powder. So eyebrows are done. Now I'm ready to play with this palette. Isn't this gorgeous? It's by Wicked Sisters Cosmetics. It brings 12 eyeshadows and they're vegan and cruelty free. I love them. I follow them on Instagram. They're very creative with their palettes. They're always inspired by movies or horror movies and stuff like that. I just like their style. I really do. Comes off like that and the mirror is right here. Just gorgeous. These are the shades. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So I got inspired with this one. I want to dabble into this shade right here and maybe this one up here because I think I want to do a halo look. We'll see. First I'm going to use Bridget, just a little bit, not a lot. I can't believe this is my first video of the year. It's been a while since I sat down to record a makeup video. So I know I'm going to forget a lot of things to say or mention. Typical in me. Forget everything. I really hope this brand new year is better for everyone. We need a break. We just need a break. That's all I want for that color. I'm just going straight with black. This is called Witch House. I'm going to use the detail brush from Moda. Just gonna map out first where I want the black and then I'll start blending. Today was kind of chilly where I live. In case you don't know, I live in Puerto Rico. Yes, in Puerto Rico, tropical island. And I'm wearing a beanie. You know why? Because it's probably the only time in the year where I can wear one. Just for this day. I love beanies, but I can never wear it here, so today was nice and breezy and cool. It's not even cold, it's just cooler weather. So I decided to throw this on because I love beanies, but I can never wear them. It's not fair. How is your new year going so far? I hope it's going great. By the way, this is going to look extremely messy and horrible at the beginning. Just trust the process. It will get better, hopefully. Okay, now with another brush, I'm going to take Elizabeth and put that really close to the black. I still want to keep the middle part empty because I want to put the silver color in there. Now I'm going to blend that with the other brush that I had. Just blend, 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 and blend. Let me take that first brush with the yellow color. Not yellow, it's like a mustard color. Because I don't want to lose that over here. Now I'm going to take my glitter primer by NYX and I'm going to place that right in the center where I want the 1692. And I'm going to use a flat brush like this one, just to be more precise. Ooh, look at that color. I love silvers like this. And thank you. I wanted to say thank you to everybody who wished me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. That meant a lot to me. You guys are awesome. You know who you are. Thank you so much. That made my day. Let me just tap in between those two shades so there isn't a harsh line. Back to Elizabeth. Right in here and just mix those two colors together. And back with the black. Alright, now I'm going to use the e.l.f. I'm going to use this oil-free medium coverage from e.l.f. Flawless Satin Foundation. I got this recently and I've been liking it a lot. The ice cream truck. Alright, I finished the rest of my face. Now we're going to continue with the lower lash line. And I'm going back into Elizabeth. I'm going to put this in the outer corner. And in the inner corner. I'm going to wipe that brush off completely, clean it off. And I'm going to take the silver shade. Load it up. And I'm going to spray with the setting spray. I'm going to take a black with an angled brush like this and put it really close to the lower lash line. I'm going to add black eyeliner in the waterline. This one's by Bettina. Really love this one. I'm gonna add some mascara and put some falsies on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I finished the rest of my face, and for lashes I used the Kala 3D lashes called Whisper. I love these so much. They're so weightless. This is it. I hope you like it. I gotta say that I really enjoy this palette a lot. And the shape of it, I mean, the shape of the house, I think it's very creative. It's just beautiful. I haven't tried the rest of the shades yet. I've tried this once before and I tried, I think it was this one right here, and it's pretty good. And I think I tried this one also, or was it the orange? I can't remember. But so far I've used almost all of them except for 5 shades maybe. So I have to continue playing with this and see what I think of the rest of the shades. But so far the ones that I've used are really good. And I like the look that I created. So yeah, I'm happy with it. If you haven't checked them out or anything like that, just go to their Instagram and follow them. They have amazing palettes. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Where's my glitter primer? Glitter primer, where are you? 1960. It's not 19. Why is this crooked? Why are you like that? I think I put too much. I'm pretty. And now I'm gonna start. And now, am I in the middle? Am I? And then ours. Going back into Elizabeth. It doesn't sound right. Horrible intro and horrible outro. I forgot everything. Ooh. And I didn't wet my sponge. And that's how I'm gonna start the year.